All right. These are the vintage freight elevators at, where's this place?
Cheong Factory Building.
In Hong Kong. We got a Schindler. Is it here? Just heard a click. We got a vintage Schindler freight elevator. That right there is the regular elevator, which unfortunately is modded on the inside. Here it is.
Yes! See? Yes!
R-Series, awesome! My very first R-Series.
Go to 9th floor first.
9th floor?
Yes.
Wait till you close it. Awesome! Do you mind if I take a couple trips on this one too?
No, I'm not sure, but go to 2nd floor now. See? This one.
Oh, this is the crank. Oh, it's got the original crank. Picture these fixtures here. There's your crank right there. What year was this installed?
Stop.
Yeah, what year was this installed?
I don't know. This is 2nd floor now. I can sure.
All right, you don't mind if I take another trip on this one?
Yes, you can take it.
All right. Love R-Series. Here we're at 9. Oh, look at this. This does work. Oh no, it doesn't. Looks like somebody called it somewhere, so we're gonna end it down at the 2nd floor and get off there where Vincent and Tim are waiting. But this is awesome. Interesting how the fan turns off when the elevator stops. This elevator is being used, so we're gonna get off at 2 where Vincent and Tim are waiting at. It's the 2nd floor. And somebody called on another floor, or another. Actually, somebody called on another call this elevator, but got in another car. Yeah, this elevator could take only one call at a time, so let's get out here. The elevator went down to 1. Let's close this up. Let's go that crank again. I just tested out a second ago,
I understand.
and nothing, and it doesn't work.
Okay.
There it goes. That was awesome. My very first art series.